In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Reddit email. If you want to change your current email on Reddit, it's pretty simple. Just log into your Reddit account and then head to your profile icon on top here. From here, go to settings, and if you click on settings, now go under account. Under account, we have general, and the first option is email address. Currently, this is my email address and it's the one that I wish to change. To change, just click on it, and if you had just signed up or signed in with Google, you're told to change your email. You need to create a Reddit password first before you can do this. So click on continue here, and now create your password. Then you'll receive a link containing your password. So let me go to my inbox and open my email account. And here you can see we have this option to reset password. Just click on it before you can now enter your new password here. And once you're done, now you'll be redirected again to this, and now you'll have an option to enter in your new password. So for my case, I didn't want to use password. I just want to retain signing in with Google account, and therefore that is how you can change your Reddit account email. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.